Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where food and good vibes is a must. I hope you guys are doing fantabulous today. On the menu we have roast chicken, roast potatoes and carrots. So see the little ingredients them here that we shall use to rub up a nice little meal. We have some coriander, paprika, ginger powder, parsley, olive oil, pimento, and of course that beautifully washed and cleaned chicken. And some other little something. So here is Obi cutting up some thyme. He's going to be blending up some seasonings to make a nice marinade for the chicken. He's also cutting up some sweet peppers. Scallion or green onions as they call it here. Some garlic. He has 4 cloves here. Onion. Some hot pepper. I guess he decided he had to add the rest of the onion. So in it goes. Some pimento. Coriander. Ginger powder. If you have real ginger, use the ginger. And some parsley. Paprika. And last but not least, some olive oil, or use whatever oil you have. Cover it up and blend it up. And if you guys could smell this thing, it smells divine. The texture come out kind of like a thick mousse. Dash it on the chicken and rub him in. Rub, 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 rub. Rub it everywhere. Rub it here, rub it there, rub it everywhere, go, go. Rub it everywhere, go, go. Rub it everywhere, go, go. And you flip him over and you rub him up. You put it everywhere. He even pours some on the inside and rub it up too. This is real life. Can't only work on our outside, we have to work on our inside too. The inside needs to be beautiful and clean as well. So of course, uno know say we did have to add our regular seasoning, cause we na ramp for season food. But yeah, we na ramp for season food, but yeah, you know, like seriously, food after season nicely. Everything must be deeply marinated. So that shit everywhere. So after you are all done, cover and allow to marinate overnight or at least 2 hours. But here, beautiful people, do what's convenient for you. So here is my dish that I'm about to put that beautifully seasoned chicken in. Pour some oil in it, just enough to cover the bottom of whatever you ever put the chicken in, right? So guys, make sure your oven is preheated at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And put that beautiful chicken in that oven, pop it in, set your timer for 30 minutes. While the chicken is in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the Irish potato and carrots. It's so weird, but me love do this. It's just so relaxing. Just me try it. If you don't have a vegetable peeler, get yourself one and see. Oh, it just nice and it's just nice for do. Dig it out. Hubby stepped in with his helping hands, but of course I got this. Thank you, love. But more than the Irish, you know what relaxing and what soothing for people? This. I love peeled carrot. It just, no, this is a smooth ride. Your mother used to send you on diabetic medical? For punishment. No. Go in there, woman, go in there, bed, yeah, man. We used to get that. So you don't want to cut the potatoes too big or too small. So just do as I'm doing. Cut one potato in half and then you can cut each side. After this, I could just start cut each side in 4. Like that. I did already wash them. After I peel them, I wash everything. So, yeah. So we're going to season our potatoes and carrots with some salt, olive oil, or whatever oil you have, and some all-purpose seasoning. Rub them up. Sure everything is evenly coated. Here is our chicken after 30 minutes. Hi, chicken. So we are going to baste it with all that niceness that has been delivered out of the chicken. Yes, Lord. Can I get a amen? Amen. Baste it up. Baste it up. Now that I finished the basting, put the potatoes in. And the carrot. By the way, guys, I apologize for sounding so hoarse. I don't know what's going on. So put back the chicken in the oven for another 40 minutes. Please remember to set your timer. Don't forget it in the oven now. And boom. Just like that. And here we have the finished product, guys. Such a beautiful color. You have lady chicken, looking rather exquisite, ready for the royal belly. You look so divine. Yes. The potatoes and the carrots are perfectly cooked. And you guys can see that nice juice on the seat. You don't have to worry about no gravy. So if you decide for cooks, a little rice with it, no fret, you're set. One less task to do. And make me tell you what, guess what? It tastes good. Yes. Guys, thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me. Please be sure to check out my other videos and don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe and become a part of the Vibes family. Thank you so much. God bless you.